Okay, so some people say that moving a stop to break even isn't efficient, it's not effective. Break even means nothing, it means you're stamping your wants to happen on the market, you're framing your trade against your trade. Whereas others will say, well, it's more from a psychological perspective than it is from an operational perspective. Where do you sit on that one?
Oh, I'm more the psychological.
Gotcha.
My stop loss has to be moved quick.
Right.
And yes, I agree, sometimes I do move it too quick.
Right.
But I prefer that than to leave it. If I'm going to trade into profit, I will not let it go negative after that.
How much profit?
It'll vary.
On the volatility of the...
On the volatility, and position of where the stop loss is, and that. But I can't do it. If I'm 20-25 pips up on a trade, 30 pips up, my stop loss has moved.
You want to drag that and lock that in, and then...
Yeah. And like I say, I've been 50-60 pips up and I've been taken out of stop loss. And I'm happy with that. I don't mind that. I've been waiting for the big move, but it hasn't come. Fine, I got taken out. But I couldn't be doing with waiting for the big move, it retracing the 70 pips and then maybe the 30-40 pips of his stop loss and getting taken out. Psychologically,
that's too damaging.
That's too damaging for me.
Yeah, it's recognising that, isn't it, as well?
Yeah.
So even though it may be mathematically or whatever, it might not be most efficient, but it's not about
not
that.
Interested.
It's not, not about that, is it?
That.
No, yeah.
I am much happier getting stopped at break even than I am just allowing it to run. No, I can't do it. Not if it's been in reasonable profit.
No, 50-60 pips on you. So what's your kind of target? You said big target. Is that a couple hundred pips for you?
Yeah, normally.
Because I know Forex at the moment hasn't got that much of a range, has it? It's shrunk down a little bit. So that'd be kind of a couple of days move, I guess, at the moment, would it?
It's been slightly picked up in the last month.
Yeah.
But since Christmas, there's been nothing.
Yeah. So you're looking for those extended multi-day moves.
Yeah. There's not been a lot of those around.
Yeah.
You know, some of the pairs have moved quite a bit over the last few months, but it's been 100 pips up, 80 pips back, 100 pips up, and it's just been.
You can't get that extension. It's just
instant 1 day, 2 day, 3 days where it just goes.
Yeah.
There's a few around now. Yes. It has been better, but it's been very, very selective on which pairs you pick.
Yeah,
I have to admit.
Makes sense. So, what's a day in the life of you as a trader? Do you trade all throughout the day? Do you get up in the morning, look at the screens? What's the day in the life of you?
I get up in the mornings, sort of have breakfast, have a drink, and I'd look at the screens. But even if I saw a setup at 8:30 in the morning, 8 o'clock in the morning, I wouldn't touch it.
Okay.
I wouldn't touch it to about 9 o'clock. I've learned I want that morning volatility, if it appears, out of the way. Because it's not always directional. So I want that out of the way, let it settle, let it calm down.
Right, yeah.
Alright? Not that you always get it right, but let it calm down and say, right, now which way do I think it's going to go? And I think it's going to continue. Yeah.
So you look at it, you watch it in maybe the first hour or so, and then maybe plan a trade that sets up after that.
Yeah.
Take it or not, and then that's you done for the day, is it?
Well, no, I'll flick through the pairs, make sure I haven't missed anything, have a look. I should say again, first thing in the morning, I'll look at news.
Okay.
Is there any big news coming out? Is there pairs to avoid? Anything like that. And I'll probably take my dog a walk, get a coffee. And then I'm just sort of in and out of the screen all day.
Yeah.
Just having a look.
Right. So you're dipping it out.
Yeah, I am. I mean, I quite like looking at the screen. I'm quite sad. I do quite like sitting there.
We all do, because we're traders, yeah.
I do like sitting there and looking at it. I mean, like I say, it's not every second of every day, but I do tend to look quite a lot.
Will you still look at it in the evenings up to the US close at 9 o'clock, or will you, even after that, 10 o'clock, 11, midnight?
Sometimes.
The trader's confessional.
To be quite honest, looking at the screen is better than looking at the telly.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah. And if you can
It's
control,
more interesting, put it that way.
yeah, this is true. And if you can control the urge, if you've got a good system and you can control the urge not to trade, because some people don't look at the screens because they go, oh, I can see something I want to trade then. So if you've got control of that, you can watch it as long as you want if you wanted to. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.